Why the Zillow Kaggle competition is the perfect first data project for beginners. Learn how predicting house prices can build your data skills and boost your portfolio. Created by Marco Giardina.
Hey there, have you ever wondered how to predict house prices with jaw-dropping accuracy? What if you could take on that same challenge as your first data project? I want to present the Zillow Kaggle competition. It's a great starting point for anyone new to data analytics. Here's why this project can transform your portfolio and make you stand out in your job search. Let's talk about why this project is ideal for beginners. One, it's a real-world problem. Predicting house prices is practical, relevant, and something everyone can relate to. You are solving a real business challenge, so it's a perfect conversation starter with recruiters. Two, the analysis uses an intermediate data set. The data set is large enough to challenge you, but it's structured enough for beginners to navigate it without difficulty. Three, it is a hands-on learning project. You will master critical skills such as data wrangling and cleaning, handling missing values, feature engineering, building regression models to predict home values. Four, it forces you to create decision-making insights. It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about interpreting your results and delivering insights. This is a key skill for any data professional. Five, it boosts your skills readiness. This project adds credibility to your portfolio. It shows how you solved a real problem, built models, and found insights to drive decisions. Here's how to turn your Zillow project into a standout portfolio piece. Add a clear problem statement. Frame it as, can we predict house prices based on property and market data? Perform a well-structured exploratory analysis. Use heat maps, trend lines, and scatter plots. They will make your analysis more visually engaging. Show your ability to feature engineering details. Highlight how you crafted new variables like location-based insights or time trends. Explain model performance. Share evaluation metrics like RMSC or R squared. Explain what worked, what didn't, and why. This isn't just a project. It's a story about your problem-solving, creativity, and analytical skills. Excited to dive in but feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, I've got you covered. As a data coach, I help beginners like you. I build your confidence with hands-on projects. I also help you craft a portfolio that wows employers. Together, we will tackle projects like Zillow, create a polished, industry-agnostic portfolio. Prepare for job interviews with personalized feedback and mock sessions. Book a free assessment call today. The link's in the description. Let's make data work for you and turn your skills into a career-changing story.